Okay. So here I am just sharing the screen. All of you, I hope that you all can see. All of you, I hope that you all can see. Okay. So here, first here you can see one thing is just moving around. This from, if you are going to click over here, these are
Ma'am, it will show one video.
one video. So entire video you will all the videos you can just see. I'm just not going on that because most of the students are saying that ma'am we can't hear anything. So we will be just following the standard procedure like the way we used to do take the class. I used to take the class, like I will mark few things on the book, so it will be done and I will just make you understand through my voice. Okay. So here first chapter 1 and chapter 2 is your syllabus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So mark over
Yes,
here
ma'am.
FA1. Okay. So by pencil you should mark because pen is not look so good. The word computer is not only a tool but also a partner in every field of human life and activity. Sometimes it's a partner of crimes also, right? Nowadays, bank fraud, many online cyber bullying, many types of crimes are actually committed through the computer. Computers are good, but it is also bad. Means where we are going, what we are doing, everything is getting means monitored by someone. Who is monitoring you? You don't know. We don't know, but someone is doing. Our privacy is becoming zero. Please keep yourself mute. So also computer bringing many changes in every field. The areas of applications of computers are confined only to the limitations on creativity and imagination. Okay, creativity and imagination nowadays. I hope that Avengers, the latest movies you all have seen, means what was that Endgame, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. I
Endgame,
see.
2019 it was released, I think. So
Ma'am, I
most of
didn't
the
saw.
okay, okay, please keep yourself mute. If you didn't saw it now, now also, please just be means see. It is now streaming in Disney Hotstar. I think streaming in the Disney Hotstar Plus services. I think so. In Hindi, you can see. So the creativity and imagination, what was there means if you are going to see that movies that here the movies are not shot into that kind of reality. Most of them are shot getting shot in the what can I say in the green background and those scenes whatever is
Ma'am,
going on
green
in the
screen.
background, yes, green screen, everything is getting implemented later. Okay, nowadays creativity and imagination gone to another height. That is I want to say. So what is computer? Might be an instrument capable of producing combined effect of radio, movie and television. This definition is close but does not visualize the power and capability. So the computer first line is important. The word computer is adopted from a Latin word computere, which means to calculate or compute. So we can say that a computer is an electronic machine capable of performing basic operations and everything. The computer is also capable of storing information. This thing's actually revolutionary, you all know. Hence, the computer can be defined as an automatic electronic machine for performing calculations or controlling operations that are expressing in numerical or logical terms. Computers are very accurate and save time by performing the assigned task very fast. They don't get bored. আমার যেমন তোদের ক্লাসের অর্ধেকে করে তোর 3টে ক্লাস করলাম আবার ম্যাথস ক্লাস লাস্টে ম্যাম নেবে ধরে ফালতু করছে আমি টিচারের কাছে করে নেবো কম্পিউটারকে if I'm going to say that thing to computer don't understand my language and it is never getting bored, right? So humans have always needed to perform arithmetic like counting and adding. Counting and adding, not only that, many other kinds of tasks are getting performed, like bank একটা complicated interest calculation system such. All those things are done by computer systems. Okay, so First here, what I'm marking, please mark, okay? Here you will see that here classification of computer by size. So by size is important, okay? Because sometimes it is sorted out by size, sometimes it is sorted out by the capability, what the task it is doing, like this way, okay? So mark up to these things. I'm saving this picture. I will upload everything. Next page I'm going. So classification on the principles of operations. So into computer classified into three types: analog computers, digital computers, and hybrid computers. Okay, those things are in your standard 3 also today I have told. Okay, mostly analog computers are physical variables. They are measuring. In back at our home, you all have seen that means electronic thermometer we all are having. Those are analog computer. Next is digital computer. Digital computer means digital data operates on digital data. Where I am marking, those are important things. Okay, you need to mark those things because questions can come from here also. Okay, because you all know that FA1 is a FA1 is a MCQ type, means exam is carried on by your school. So questions can come from here. It uses binary number system in which there are only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Each one is called a bit. A digital computer can be used to process numeric as well as non-numeric data. It can perform arithmetic operations, already I have told, and logical expressions also. Most of the computers available today are digital computers. The most common example of computers are machines and calculators. Calculators, suppose if you are not having back at your phone, it is having, so we are not buying other calculator, but if you are going to read science in your standard 11, 12, you need some calculators, specific calculators. The result of digital computers are more accurate than the result of analog computer. Analog computers are faster than digital computer. Analog computers lack memory, whereas digital computer stores information. We can say that digital computers count, analog computer measures. Okay, those are very important differentiations. First, next is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer mostly using means what can I say? Hybrid computer is a combination of both analog and digital, mostly used on operatic or complicated physical process and machine. Nowadays, analog to digital and digital to analog converters are used for transforming data. I'm giving you the example of Apple Watch. Okay, Apple Watch is a function. If you have seen that, it can measure your heart rate, blood pressures, everything. It is regularly monitored
And
by
food
Apple
step
Watch.
also.
Yes, footsteps are so very common. Means it is MI band if I'm going to buy, those things are also doing the same thing. So how they are doing? They are measuring, right? আমাদের হাতটা কতবার এক মিনিটে বিট করছে সেটা মেজার করে। এটা কিন্তু টাইপস অফ অ্যানালগ পারফরমেন্স, বিকজ অ্যানালগ পারফরমেন্স আমরা দেখলাম যে অ্যানালগ ইজ অনলি মেজার্স, ওকে, and that is also representing in the numbers and giving it to us. So these are the digital part. Okay, so this kind of machines we can say hybrid. Also a mini computer, it is an example. Understandable? Is it understandable up to this? I hope no problem. I hope no problem. So again, on the side, 5 categories are there. Okay, just mark those things. First is what? First is here what it is written. It is written mobile computer, portable device. That is why it is known as mobile. Mobile means what? going from one place to another. These things are known as mobile. Okay. Capable of
We
operating,
can take the
executing,
mobile
yes,
computers
yes.
in one place to another.
Mobile computing device, also known as portable computing device or handheld computing device. Okay, laptop, ultrabooks, netbooks, tablets, e-readers, smartphones, personal digital assistant or PDA, portal media player or portable media player. I need to check these things. I think it will be portable. Portal means that doesn't make any sense. Are all mobile computers. Okay. So whatever we are using on everyday purpose, laptop you all know. Okay. Usually, laptop computers are also known notebook computers. They are smaller than
Ma'am, desktop computers.
no, both laptop and this is netbooks are capable of running the same software. They are easily portable, functional, popular with travelers who need a computer that can go with them. Next, coming to tablet. Tablet is, you know, the touch screen surface. Okay, is many, we can say that
Ma'am, in your book there is one wrong. That will be portable.
I think this will be portable. This portal will be
Ma'am,
portable.
portal means nothing. Portal means you can apply anything. Nothing is in laptop, mobile
So
computer.
it will be portable, surely. And I hope that I'm writing the spelling correct. And tablet, you all know our phone is the greatest example. Okay. Larger than tablet, smartphone, ebook reader, I am not going to tell you. Kindle is, you all know, Amazon's famous device. Amazon's own technology they are using over here. And not only that, I have seen that Kindle means that reading performance, if I'm going to compare it with a book, the page looks exactly quite similar with the means hard copy and soft copy. Quite similar means I have stunned by seeing it at the first. Smartphone, and a smartphone is a mobile phone with highly advanced features. A typical smartphone has a high resolution touchscreen display, Wi-Fi connectivity, web browsing capability, and ability to accept sophisticated applications. Okay, these are smartphones. I'm not going to explain much more. PDA. PDA is not on, we are not using mostly these are using in the official purpose. Okay, palm top computer, this is known. Okay, handheld device can function as cell phone, fax sender, personal organization, and have ability to connect the internet. Means uh, every device over here, what we are reading now, every device is actually, we can see that having separate purpose. That is why these are actually known means কিছু কিছু features নিয়ে এক একটা device. Some features are taken and one device has been invented, right? Suppose I want to send some facts, okay? That type, this kind of PDA or personal digital assistant is needed. Next, coming to portable media player, yes, it will
Ma'am,
be
you can see
portable.
now
Yes,
portable.
yes. Portable media player is a digital audio player or portable device. You can audio images and video files. Apple's iPod names one things is there. Okay, only this is actually a greatest example of portable media player. Have you learned, listen to the name of iPod? I had one when I just passed class 10. Okay. So these things I will upload, whatever I'm just marking over here. I hope that up to this no problem is there. I'm clearing it. So I'm going to the next page. Next, coming to mini computers. Next, mobile computers done. After that it is coming to mini computers. Okay. Mini computers actually, while we are going to read the what we can say computer generation and usage of those, that time mini computers was invented, because first time when the computer was invented, if we are going to check that that thing, that the computer is a large device, it was taking up a place of a large room or something like that. So that time scientists aim was like that, that they have to minimize the size, and they successfully did that also, right? So these are actually mini computers. That is why it is appeared in 1960s. It is appeared in 1960s. What is this? So you just mark those things. Only the year you need to mark over here, 1960s. And microcomputer replaced at 1980s. Desktop computer is the example of microcomputer, also known as personal computer or PC. Next, coming to two different type of computer, mainframe and supercomputer. Now mainframes actually thing is they will take the large amount of data and process will process very fast. And supercomputer is they will compute those things very fast and just giving you the proper result. Okay. So mainframe computers are capable of processing data at very high speeds, hundreds or million instructions per second. They are large in size. আমরা অনেক সময় এরকম এক্সাম্পল শুনেছি যে ট্রেনের বা ফ্লাইটের রিজার্ভেশন স্টার্ট হয়েছে মিনিটে সেটা শেষ হয়ে গেছে, ফিল্মের রিজার্ভেশন স্টার্ট হয়েছে মিনিটে সেগুলো শেষ হয়ে গেছে. Film is much means lesser example I have given, but why this is happening, you know, because this kind of usage of mainframe computers over there. Okay, so here where it is getting used, banks, airlines and railway reservation systems, here only those kind of things are getting used. Okay, next coming to the supercomputer. Supercomputers play an important role in the field of computational science. যেখানে অনেক কিছু কম্পিউট করে কোনো রেজাল্ট বলতে হবে, ঠিক আছে, সেই সমস্ত ক্ষেত্রে supercomputers are much needed. Okay. After that, a supercomputer is a computer that performs at or near currently highest or operational rate for computers. A supercomputer is typically used for scientific and engineering application that can handle very large database or great amount of computation. Okay. Generally supercomputer কোথায় ইউজ হয় জানিস? আমাদের DRDO বলে একটা অর্গানাইজেশন আছে, আমাদের গভর্নমেন্ট আন্ডারটেকিং, স্পেশালি কি করে বলতো, অস্ত্র শস্ত্র সেনাবাহিনীদের বিভিন্ন মিসাইল, বিভিন্ন টেকনোলজি। রিসেন্টলি একটা ওষুধও বের করেছে যেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের শরীরে অক্সিজেনের এই মানে অটোমেটিক্যালি অক্সিজেনের যে এই যে আপ ডাউন ফ্লাকচুয়েশন যেগুলো হচ্ছে সেগুলোকে ঠিকঠাক করার জন্য। Mainly here supercomputers are used because suppose I'm just giving example, I don't know much and I'm not specialized. Suppose this is our India. Okay, I've just drawn a very bad map. Okay, whatever it is, here to suppose in Russia they can, in India some missiles are there, from here to there they can just means attack someone, coordinate attack they can do by their missiles. And India's missiles names you all know that these are actually named like Agni, Prithvi, like this type of names are much this type of names are there, right? So here supercomputers are needed because আমাকে দেখতে হবে যে সেখানে 1 মিনিটে আমি কত দূর যেতে পারছে মিসাইলটা, সেখানে কোনো এয়ারক্রাফট আছে কিনা, at a time many things need to compute, right? And DRDO is having one, I think so, and the name I can't recall right now. Next day I will definitely tell. From which end, who is just 30 students were there, now it is 18 now. Keep yourself in.
Ma'am, 27 students are there.
It is now. Previously it was 30, just now. 2 minutes before.
Ma'am, at first class, ma'am, there are 39 students.
Are 9 student is not computer. Okay, so up to this, I think everything is clear. Now it is becoming 30 again. Okay, next coming to hardware. Hardware and software, you all know that which we just can means touch, those are hardware.
Ma'am.
Now, yes.
Ma'am,
Tell-
in harder we can touch and see.
We can touch and see. And hardware is a collection of all the parts can be seen and touched. Okay, processing unit, CPU are the example of the hardware we all know. Next, coming to input device and output device. Hardware also categorized. Input means by which we can input the data or input the instructions to the computer. Those are known as input device. You all know. Right? Input devices are those which take input from users in the simple form. Some lines are getting cut. That is not cut. Actually, I want to underline, but since the picture is very small, I couldn't. Okay, keyboard and these things you all know. Barcode reader, if you have gone to shopping mall, we all are very accustomed with this. After buying some dress, mostly for dress buying we are going, because I'm not going to tell anything more. Here, by this thing, they are just very quickly scan everything, and every data is getting stored. VCR reads the barcode, that is vertical lines, and displays the rate of item on the computer screen. It is also used to recognize courier products. VCR takes input in the form of code and convert this barcode into the computer language 0 and 1. Next, coming to magnetic ink reader, where it is getting used by banks to facilitate the processing and clearance of checks. Sometimes it is happening না, চেকে একজন সাইন করলো, সাইনটা মিললো না, আবার তাকে ব্যাংক থেকে পাঠায়, বলে যে আপনার সাইনটা যেভাবে আপনি ফার্স্ট ফর্মে করেছিলেন সেভাবেই করুন। Okay, because this is getting scanned by computer. Okay, আর আমরা তো মানুষ, আমাদের হ্যান্ডরাইটিং তো একটু আধটু চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়। So this will not, the computer will not consider. Computer ভাববে এটা fraud case হচ্ছে, তাই জন্য সাইনটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে। So where it is getting used, only these are important. Here, this is used in Canada, Panama, and UK, mostly in America. And MICR CRC7 was creating according to the ISO standard. Now, ISO is one organization who is actually controlling the, what can I say, controlling the means quality, right? After some certain quality, they are giving the ISO standard, means they have personally verified that from that organization or from that, there, whatever is coming out, everything is perfect. Okay, so the are used in France, Mexico, Spain, most other Spanish speaking countries. Next, optical character reader, taking image of letters or type text and converting into data and computer understand. That good example of libraries are mostly using. Next, coming OMR, joint entrance. All those things are getting, those sheets are getting used. Okay, and card reader. Card reader reading information stored on cards such as magnetic strip cards and smart cards. Card also, you know that ATM service, here also card readers are there. That is why after inputting the our card, everything is getting stored. Okay, so I'm just clearing all those drawings and I'm going to the next page. Okay, let me see that what time it is. Okay, it is 50 almost. I'm not going to anywhere else. So up to this, is there any kind of problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait for a while. Wait, I'm just, so I am not going to other things, okay? Or I should proceed 5 minutes more. Okay. Next, here smart cards, everything you read. Meanwhile, I will take the attendance, okay? Who are there now? Please, everyone, keep yourself mute. Your names will be. Yes? Read the card part. I will just tell after a while. From your book, you all are having, I'm just sharing these things.
Ma'am, please tell Aryan to mute.
Aryan, please mute yourself, dear.
Ma'am, he every day disturbs all the classes like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, please keep yourself mute. Okay. Don't unmute yourself now. I want to put go Aryan. Aisha want to waiting. Aisha, please keep yourself mute. Yes. By mistakenly, I want to just put Aryan in the Ankit, you are new in the class.
No, ma'am.
Afifa Khatun, what is your app name? Please unmute yourself. Afifa Khatun. অ্যাপে কি নাম আছে? Ankit, you are fast in my class. Welcome. Aryan, if you are going to disturb the class again, I will remove and lock the meeting.
Ma'am, are you taking the attendance?
Yes, I'm taking the attendance. You just read the entire para for a while. Afterwards, I will explain.
Ma'am, today you will learn up to that smart card.
Yes, only up. Ayman, welcome to the class. Meher, Ali or Hussein, who joined the class and left? Is there anyone now? Please unmute and tell. Meher, Ali or Hussein?
Ma'am, no Mahir is present in the class today.
One was
Yes.
attended but left. So no attendance they will get.
They are waiting for that attendance and leave the class.
No, in the first one, I don't take attendance. In the last, I take attendance. Everyone knows this.
Ma'am, you have take attendance.
I am taking attendance. Don't tell to join now. I have locked the meeting. Wasim, are you there? Wasim, are you there?
Ma'am, just now Wasim left.
Wasim was there. I have seen. Utshap is not there. Srijita. Okay. Srijit, are you there? I will mark it later. You know me. So smart card, you all know that here two types of smart cards are there, contact and contactless. Okay, contactless are not getting used so much in our country. Mostly contact cards are we are using. Both are having microprocessor and memory. The smart card differs from the proximity card that has microchip in the proximity card as one function. Everything you will see that nowadays bank cards is having one chip, memory chip, right? Because it can access our location, access from which ATM we are just taking out the money, everything. So, and if it is getting spilled or something like that, where it has gone, everything we can see from here. So from here only this you will read difference of these two cards that here difference is needed. From here to you will just read up to this. This para is important over here. For while it will be a writing based questions like essay 1 or somewhere, this type of questions can come. After that, disadvantages of smart cards. Criminals are, one day I got a call and tell that, ma'am, I'm just calling from SBI Bank. SBI Bank এর আমি ম্যানেজার বলছি। আপনার কার্ডের ডিটেলস আর পিনটা আমায় একটু দিন। আপনার কার্ডের এক্ষুনি আগে এই সমস্ত ডিটেলস গুলো আপনি না দিলে আপনার কার্ড এক্ষুনি ব্লক হবে। So after listening, I just told I don't have any account in SBI Bank. So where do you get my number? You are all the frauds. This kind of calls we all are getting, and this type of cases are very common nowadays. Also, they are inventing.
Ma'am,
They can hack all things.
Yes, they
Ma'am,
can.
that
They are
is
inventing also
all
many things. Okay, many things like কিভাবে লোকের থেকে টাকা ফাঁকা নেওয়া যায়. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
type of frauds
Now
are.
it is very common.
ম্যাম পাণ্ডবগণে এগুলো খুব দেখিয়েছিলাম।
So up to this today's work, the class will be end very soon. Everything I will upload. Okay. So for today, I'm just stopping the share over here. Bye from my side. Okay, I'm updating the attendance. First, you see that everyone got the message.
Ma'am, how I can see? The phone is outside. I'm doing
Okay,
from
ma'am.
laptop.
Okay. If it is not with you, you just send message me after at group or yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much for your
Message.